Put on my Enduro engineering handguards full wraparound on the KTM. I ended up using the bar mounts I don't like. I couldn't find... I bought some cheap top clamp ones that I didn't like how they fit, so I ended up not using them. So I'm just going to rock this for now. And I got some white flags on the way, or brush guards, or whatever you want to call them, roof guards. Because oranges don't match, and that drives me apeshit. The handguards are on. I'm going to swap them out. Swap out some of the hardware for stuff that looks a little nicer. The bolt's pretty bent. Yeah, you can see it pretty good right there. Also going to swap some stuff out so I can put Delrin sliders on the end. Found a bolt that'll work. I ended up throwing a washer in here, try to reinforce it some. I think it ends up looking a little nicer that way. Put these back on. Nice and sturdy. Got bar end sliders now, so everything should be a little more protected. Put the other side on. Get everything lined up nice. Both handguards are on, they're real stiff, on there nice. Hardware matches, big washers. I think it just looks nicer. Change out the flags for some smaller ones or some white ones. Got Enduro engineering white handguard covers going on. Man, they even give you install instructions for handguard covers. Wow. Or roost deflectors, or whatever you want to call them. The white handguards look a lot better. They match better. Even the orange stickers match the plastics a little better. Looks real good. Bar end sliders. I think they look really good. I'm going to strip the color off these anodized parts using this. Works real well. I'm going to throw you up on a time lapse. Been sitting here for about 20 minutes. Look at that. Raw aluminum. Look at that. Strips it right off. It's pretty impressive. Grab handle after I stripped it. You can polish them up to make them look a little nicer, but it does just strip everything off really quick. The brake caliper bracket, there's a little bit in there, but you can't see that, and I'm not too concerned about it. Put my grab handle on. We're going to try that out since it's in the dirt trim right now. 2118. But yeah, put the grab handle on. We'll try that out. I didn't record the install because I don't think there's anything of note. It actually fits quite nice. So yeah. I got some parts from Pro Seal Racing that I'm highly recommended from a few people. I have filter skins, which I have opened this and used one. It's on my Husqvarna 701 right now. And I'm going to put one on my KTM 500. I understand the concept of these, and I can see how they work, so I'm going to try it, see what happens. And I got a Pro Seal air filter gasket. This also comes super highly recommended from a few different people I've talked to and read. So, once again, I'll give it a try. For how cheap this is, and I understand the concept, I'd like to give it a try and see for myself. Got the filter gasket on, you can see it there. I got the filter skin on. It's all back together. The fork clamp bolts are kind of crusty, so we'll change them out. Old and crusty in the new ones. I saw somebody put a spring in between the pads, help pull them apart a little bit, because they're just slightly touching. Supposedly that helps with some friction and like heat out of the rear brake. Makes the bike roll a little better, so we're going to try that. You can see with the spring in there, it does hold some, a little bit of extra width on it and shouldn't drag. So we'll try that out.